Vanakkam, my dear brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Rajanayagi from Shivasakti Siddha Pharmaceuticals and Siddha Health Center, Coimbatore. Okay, brothers and sisters, already I posted so many videos in English also about Siddha medicine and the importance of Siddha medicine nowadays. So among those videos, today I am going to post another video for your kind information. Definitely it will be useful to you. Okay brothers, come let's go to the video. Today I selected one important topic, that is ENT in Siddha. So how we are treating ENT problems in Siddha? Because already Siddhas told Siddhas divide our body more than 4,040 disease in our body. Already they segregated the disease in our body. Among these ENT problems are also one of the main biggest problem, because if you see the statistics, definitely 5 in 6 children in their lifetime they will be affected by this ear problem, definitely. So Siddhas link these 3 organs, ear, nose, throat. These 3 organs, disease and medicines are more or less same. So let's see the video how they are explained. First let us see the anatomy of the ear. Simply I explain here, my viewers. See here, this is external ear. That is, we are seeing, this is the outside part of the ear. This is our external ear. And something go inside. Here one important organ is called, that is drum, that is tympanic membrane, and 3 smallest bones in our body. This membrane and these bones are acting as a drumstick, drum and drumstick. These two. This tympanic membrane is a drum, and these small bones are sticks. So they are prescribed as tympanic membrane and bones. When the vibration comes to the ear, these bones vibrate. This vibrate is heard by this tympanic membrane. They that stick, drumstick, like drumstick, they are making noise. Then again this noise go inside. Inside ear, we can see some kind of bone, like a snail. Everybody knows snail bone. Snail shaped like bone inside. Here, biggest space is there, this place. In this place, filled up full of water collection. So in this water collection, from here itself, now start from here. This now directly go to brain, connect with auditory nerve. Directly go to brain, connect with auditory nerve. This fluid, some kind of impulses produce this, connect to the brain. So ear is very close to the brain. So we should be very careful to treat the ear problem fully. It's very much important to treat the ear problems. So next we see the statistics of this ear problem. I told you already. Definitely 5 children in 6th children. In 5 children definitely affected by this ear problem in their lifetime. So let's see the causes of this ear problem, the ENT problem also. So ear is linked with ENT, throat and nose. So Siddhas connected these 3 things, ear problem, nose problem and throat problem. So causes are linked with these 3 organs. See here, and the ear, nose, this throat, these are also sense organs also. Very important organs in your body also, viewers. So see here, sinusitis problem, everybody knows. In our face, some kind of cavities in our face, skull fixing of the skull, we can see some space. So in that space, we can see this. A cavity is filled by some kind of infected water. And next one, throat pain. Throat pain. So many felt that they are having throat pain. This is also a cause of ear problem. And tooth infection. Definitely we will get again tooth infection in our life. So this tooth infection are also cause this ear problem. And next one is hormone imbalance. Actually, in olden age, we are seeing diabetic patients and BP patients, some hormone imbalance patients, they are definitely affected by this ear problem. These are the causes. So, next, what's the reason of this ear problem? Definitely, it is due to varieties of infections, bacterial infection, viral infection, and fungal infection. So many infections, and not only these infections and other poisonic chemicals. These chemicals are also allergic to our body. So due to these two reasons, we are getting these ENT problem in our life. So these ENT problems are linked together. If one organ is affected, definitely other two organs will be affected. So you should know this point, viewers, because not only ENT is a separate, it's an organ in our body, it's a total organ. So if we treat throat pain and if we treat the sinus problem, the ear problem will also go. So next one, what are the symptoms of this ear problem in our life? We see, so many people says, I got severe wheezing from the ear, and they will get some pain. We see the children are crying with a baby started to cry, mommy, I am having severe ear pain, and wheezing is also coming from the ear, and they will get severe fever symptoms and throat pain and loss of appetite, body pain. So many problems will come because of this ear problem. So what is the solution for this ear problem in Siddha? How we are treating these patients? How we are give complete relief, not only from the ear problem, complete relief from those all ENT problem also. We are giving 100% relief for the patients. Then here, because of this ear problem, patients get some complications also. If they are not treating properly, they are not treating fully, patients are getting some complications like their brain, the ear is very close to the brain. So brain may be affected by this ear infection, and then the ear drum may be ruptured. But the ear drum, if the drum ruptured, again it will fuse and make a new drum. But actually the eardrum may be ruptured in this problem, and we are seeing so many people always putting on pricking material into the ear. Always they will do the round with them to the ear and bring some wax from the ear. It is also due to this ear infection only. Actually, normal healthy ear, no need to clean the ear. Our ear itself clean itself. So for these ear infected patients, they are having this wax creating, the wax is producing from their ear, diseased ear, wax is producing. So that is also a complication, and gradually their hearing loss may occur, and if the nerve affected completely, their deafness will also occur. So these are the complications of this ear infection. So we should take care of this ear infection, which is very much important. Then treatment. So finally, in Siddha, how we are treating the ear infected patients as well as the ENT problem also. First, we are giving natural herbal antibiotic to kill the germs. Any germs, any bacteria, virus or fungus, any germs. We are having more and more herbal antibiotics medicine. We are prescribing that medicine, giving that medicine. The next one, immunobooster medicines. Siddha medicines is a very good effect in the immunobooster. If the patient's immunity system increased, the disease will go. That's all. So we are giving so many immunobooster medicines, herbal medicines to remove the immune system weakness. immuneness completely, we cure them. The immune system raise the patient. The next one is, the patient also needs some emergency painkiller medicines also. So he can't suffer more time with this pain. So we are giving natural herbal medicines as a painkiller medicines also. So external treatment also we are giving. See here, we are giving some air drops. Here you can see very simple home remedy air drops. In our clinic we are giving this medicine air drops as air drops. Only 3 ingredients. First ingredient is that Vilva Param. The botanical name is mentioned here. You can see. Take this Vilva Param. Dry param also we can use. Take some flushes of that fruit and take these 10 grams of fruit flesh and 10 grams these garlic pieces. Then we squeeze it and we grind these 2 things and we put in here mustard oil for 10 to 15 minutes. Gradually that ingredients will become brittle. It will become brittle and it will become brown in color. So finally we bring out the oil from the stove and we keep it cool and filter those things and we filled it in a bottle. Simple air oil. We can give this oil. You can prepare at home, your home itself. We are giving this oil for the external use. And what we are doing, this medicine that one is that Siddharathai in Tamil and Agraharam in Tamil and Adimadaram in Tamil. English name, botanical name is also mentioned there. You can see. We can powder these 3 roots, powder it, and you give the baby one spoon. Morning 1 spoon, evening 1 spoon with honey. These 2 medicines 100% relief from your problem. So actually prevention is better than cure. Already we talked so many videos about the prevention. What's the main prevention? The first one is we are preparing the Panchakalpa powder at our clinic. Definitely everybody should take bath once in a week with this Panchakalpam powder. The next one important is pranayama. Pranayama will bring good result for these ENT problems. So we ask the patient definitely they must do morning half an hour and evening half an hour do pranayama at home. So viewers, now it's a time for me to go. So this is the all matters we discussed in this video. So ENT is a very easily treatable problem in Siddha. We are treating so many people for the 30 years. With our experience, it's very easily treatable and curable with the help of herbal medicines. So you also try with this medicine. Okay viewers, we will meet in the another video. Bye viewers. Vanakkam.